People who the government ordered to silence. Dr. Sebi had a cure for all diseases and was found dead. In custody. Yoram Kaufman discovered water on Mars and was found deceased. Mark Smith found a cure for Alzheimer's and was found deceased in a hit and run. Stanley Meyer invented the first water-powered car and was one day found deceased. Martin Luther King challenged racial injustice, economic equality, and was assassinated. Aaron Swartz, known for fighting for free access to information, was found dead. Malcolm X, civil rights leader, was later assassinated.